In today's video, I'm going to teach you maximize your productivity with ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn everyday tasks, learning, creativity, and work into faster, clearer, and more consistent workflows using simple prompts and a little structure. Let's start with automating everyday tasks. Ask ChatGPT to create schedules, to-do lists, and reminders that match your actual constraints. Share your available hours, deadlines, and priorities, and request a daily or weekly plan with time blocks and buffer time. When you need to generate emails, reports, and summaries quickly, give the key points, the audience, and the tone you want. Professional, concise, or friendly. And ask for a polished draft you can edit. For repetitive writing and research tasks, provide a sample and say, "Follow this format every time," so you can standardize responses, FAQs, or status updates. You'll save time by simplifying daily workflows when you reuse prompts and keep templates handy for common requests. Next, improve learning and research. Get fast explanations for complex topics by asking for a step-by-step breakdown, a plain language summary, and a quick analogy. If you paste an article or notes, you can summarize articles, notes, and documents efficiently. Ask for key takeaways, definitions, and an executive summary. To stay exam ready, generate study guides, quizzes, and learning plans with milestones and practice questions tailored to your level. Then organize information into clear and actionable insights by requesting an outline with headings, timelines, or pros and cons, so you can move from reading to doing. Now, boost creativity and content creation. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas for blogs, videos, and businesses by sharing your niche, audience, and goals and asking for fresh angles or hooks. You can generate scripts, captions, and marketing content by specifying length, voice, and a call to action, then iterating until it sounds right. To move faster, create outlines and structured content with sections, transitions, and key points before you draft. This improves productivity for creators and entrepreneurs by letting you batch ideas, drafts, and revisions in one place. Finally, enhance business and work efficiency. Develop marketing strategies and customer communication by asking for campaign ideas, positioning statements, and message variations for different segments. Generate presentations, plans, and professional documents by requesting a slide-by-slide outline, a project plan, or a proposal structure you can paste into your tools. Improve team productivity with AI-assisted workflows by sharing prompt templates so everyone produces consistent outputs. And make faster decisions using organized AI-generated insights by asking for comparisons, risks, and recommendations backed by concise reasoning. Give clear context, iterate with follow-up prompts, and save what works. That's how you maximize productivity with ChatGPT every day.